The Standard Horizon PF-P330 air-fed paper folder is an easy-to-use, premium folding machine built for large offices that need to fold high volumes of marketing materials, invoices, brochures, and more. The simple control panel features preset paper sizes and fold types for quick access to the most common options. You can also customize the folds by adjusting the folding bars within the machine. It will store up to 10 custom jobs in memory for quick recall. The feed tray capacity holds a 2.2-inch thick stack, so you can set a high volume of pages into the feed, press start, and walk away. It can fold at speeds up to 14,400 sheets per hour, depending on the fold type. The patented rotary pulse air feed design means it can be used with even sensitive or static creating paper types without marking the pages, including coated stock, full color prints, and more. To use the machine, simply press the sheet size button until it displays your size, press the folding pattern button, place your pages into the feed tray, and press the yellow test button. The test will run one sheet through for you to inspect for accuracy. Once approved, press the green start button to complete the job. Folded documents exit into a clean stack for easy handling. For more information or to buy this or other paper folding machines, visit Binding101.com or call the number on your screen.